People talking without speaking, people hearing without listening, people writing songs that voices never shared. No one did disturb the sound of silence. Fool said you do not know.
Hello, Bruce Nasby here. What you were just listening to is Sounds of Silence by Simon and Garfunkel. When you last heard from me, I mentioned a new venture I was working on. I'm here today to tell you more about it. After retiring from Enactus a few years ago, I transitioned into consulting and executive coaching. I have been serving as a Vistage chair for executive groups in Southwest Missouri and have been working with C-level executives and leadership teams that need help overcoming obstacles that are standing in their way of progress and business growth. I'm taking my life and career experiences and all the lessons I have learned and using them to help other people move forward in their professional and personal lives. I enjoy the work. I get a charge out of helping other people succeed, and I'm at a point now where I would like to extend my reach. You are listening to the first of a weekly series of messages that I'm calling The Sounds of Change. In this series, I will offer inspiration, motivation, and life lessons punctuated by the power of music. You see, I'm a guy of the 60s. I love red wine, sunny beaches, and music. Music has been such an influential part of my life and my growth as a leader in business and as a person. It's a powerful force. A single song can transport us back to a time and place, or change our state of mind in a matter of seconds. In Sounds of Change, I will share how my favorite tunes over a span of 40 years have influenced me to be a stronger leader, a lifelong learner, and a better human. My goal is to help you create your own soundtrack and recognize and seize those moments when you have the opportunity to make a difference in your own or somebody else's life. Make a change for the better, or perhaps to grab onto something you thought was out of your reach. Stay tuned. It's going to be a fun ride.